The US and Israel struck Iran in the wee hours of yesterday. The supreme leader of Iran has been killed. So I'll just be explaining how this war is going to affect the global financial market. When war like this break out, investors always run to safe haven assets. What are safe haven assets? They are assets investors pack their money into whenever there is uncertainty in the world or whenever there is conflict or war happening in the world. So assets like gold is going to rally. We might see gold touch $5,800 per ounce this week. People are going to run into USD. USD used to be the most common safe haven asset, but because of Trump's interference in the geopolitical space, the US dollar has lost its touch as a safe haven asset. People are going to move into Swiss franc, Japanese yen. They are all considered as safe haven assets. Then on the equities market, people are going to be selling their stocks. They'll be liquidating their stock to pack their money in safe haven assets. US Treasury notes, gold, I've mentioned all those safe haven assets. Then there's going to be a surge and increase in crude oil price. And the reason why you are going to see this surge or increase in crude oil price is because Iran is one of the largest producer of crude oil and they control the Straits of Hormuz. The Straits of Hormuz account for 20% of crude oil passage, meaning if you want to ship your crude oil to any part of the world, it must pass through the Straits of Hormuz. If Iran shuts the Straits of Hormuz down, then crude oil price could touch $100 per barrel in the next couple of days. People are going to be investing in energy stocks, the stocks of ExxonMobil, Seplat, all of these oil companies, because they are directly tied to what happens in the crude oil space. However, there could be a surge in global inflation because if crude oil price starts ticking up, it's going to disrupt energy prices, right? And it could spiral into an uptick in global inflation. Anyways, I'll continue to assess and evaluate how this war is affecting the global financial markets, and I will report my findings to you. Bye.